Hello, welcome to DanceFitDaddy, where you can dance, sweat, and be your best shape. During this COVID pandemic, I encourage my students to wear masks during dance workout classes. However, wearing a mask makes breathing a bit difficult. Well, I have a solution for you. Cut 2 pieces of big straws, each measuring 3 inches long, and insert them on both sides of your mask. Let's try this. This is Darth Vader.
Yeah!
Start with your arm. Arms up and down. Clap. Other side. Clap it. Double time. 2 claps. Other side. 2 claps. Shimmy to the side. 2 kicks. Other side. 2 kicks. Again shimmy. 4 kicks. Other side. Kick it. Next. Hands to the chest. Hands to the chest. And up. Leg up. Take your arm. Let's do it faster. Leg up. One more time. Next. Horse back. Arms up. And the front. Up. And front. Yeah. Faster. Up, front, last one. Side to side. Spin your arm. Other side. Spin it. More energy. Walk forward. Side to side. Go back. Now hop it. Again, forward, side to side. From the top, clap it. Clap, shimmy. Up to the chest. Then up, leg up. Again. 2 more. Last one. Horse back. Arms. 2 more. Right to side. Spin your arm. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go back. Spin it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Forward. Side to side. Go back. Again. From the top. Other side. A shimmy. Kick. Last 2. I must say, it is better to have those 2 straws on both sides of your mask. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to be updated, hit the notification bell. Please comment below and share this to everyone. This is Butch, and I'll see you next time on Dance Fit Daddy. Remember, dance and be your best shape.